is the way of nature, and it happens to us all. But that doesn't mean we have to look older. When we're young, our bodies produce ample amounts of collagen, the essential ingredient that gives skin its strength and elasticity. As we age, our collagen production decreases, and our skin no longer gets the support it needs. It becomes less elastic, it starts to sag, and then wrinkles, laugh lines, and crow's feet appear. But there's a very powerful, very effective new tool available that not only reverses the visible signs of aging, but prevents future signs from appearing as well. Introducing Predire Paris 11X Pro, the revolutionary, most powerful red light therapy device available today. Until recently, these cutting-edge red light therapy treatments were only available by visiting a dermatologist or other skincare professional. Now, with Predire Paris 11X Pro, you can get the professional-grade technology to heal and rejuvenate your skin in your very own home. Clinical studies show red light therapy to be highly effective at repairing damaged cells and restoring visible balance to treated skin. Predire Paris 11X Pro is FDA approved, and it works by improving overall cell function. Its red light stimulates targeted cells to produce more energy and collagen. Pores become more open, allowing the light to penetrate deeper, thereby healing your skin from the inside out. That means the surrounding skin layers, including blood vessels, nerves, and lymphatic pathways, benefit from the healing properties too. Predire Paris 11X Pro has more light bulbs, which are 20% stronger than any device out there, and its glass head allows a deeper, more concentrated penetration into your skin. This results in amazingly healthier, youthful-looking skin, which is free of wrinkles, damage, and other visible signs of aging. Predire Paris 11X Pro uses the most innovative, most advanced technology that exists today, which makes it the most powerful tool in fighting aging. Using Predire Paris 11X Pro is easy and 100% safe. Simply turn on the device, and it takes about 10 seconds to start heating up. 11X Pro's slick design includes features to help you monitor your treatment and get the most effective results. Next, use the 11X Pro directly on your target areas, from the forehead to your cheeks, eyes, and neck, or wherever you see visible signs of aging. Like no other device on the market, the 11X Pro red light is 20% stronger. The forceful light reaches the deepest layers of your skin, balancing your pH from the inside out, and smooths wrinkles and gives you even, soft, and beautiful skin. The revolutionary 11X Pro device has two other lights, blue and green. The blue LED light tightens and seals pores for protection against dirt and oil and bacteria. The green LED light is for wrinkle removal. Green light stimulates collagen production, which reduces the fine lines and wrinkles. It eliminates acne-causing bacteria, which improves skin clarity. For more information, please refer to our manual. The 11X Pro device can be used by itself or with your current skincare cream. Either way, in just 30 days, you'll see shocking results. It also has a battery that can hold a 24-hour charge, which means it can be used when you're away from home too. Predire Paris 11X Pro offers a powerfully effective treatment that'll make your skin look young, refreshed, and balanced. By balancing your skin pH, rejuvenating your skin, smoothing existing wrinkles and fine lines, promoting skin health, eliminating inflammation and redness, reversing the effects of sun damage, assisting in preventing future damage, and giving your complexion a healthier, balanced appearance. When it comes to your appearance, you should never compromise. Bring back the look of youth to your skin. Get the most noticeable, most powerful results in the shortest time with Predire Paris 11X Pro. Predire Paris. Look young, feel young, guaranteed.